We do a user meeting around every 2 years, and we have a big applications group that are always open to customer suggestions, customer interaction. We solve a lot of problems or suggest to people how they might create experiments.
It's lovely having a mix of talks both from other users as well as having a feel for what the guys at Kratos are doing, what kind of things are developing in the pipeline, and it really helps start conversations and being able to liaise not just with the guys at Kratos but linking you up with other people in the same XPS community.
Networking with other colleagues is very useful because you hear from difficulties and problems, and you also learn from the tricks that they have found, and then you can use them in your own system. So that's very helpful. So that I'm a very big fan of these meetings, so we should try to attend them as much as possible.
In Australia, it's kind of isolated in terms of a user community, though we do have other Australian users. There's only one other in Queensland, and the next nearest are in Sydney and Melbourne, so thousands of kilometres away. So it's just really important to us to be able to access a community. So that's partly why I've come to the meeting, partly so that I can share some of our work and some of our way of doing things and meet people who are doing stuff that we're doing.
I think we can learn a lot from our customers, how they use the spectrometers. It's a two-way process. I think we can provide information to them to allow them to get better data from their samples. And we can also learn what they're using our spectrometers for. So it's kind of a win-win process.
I think it allowed me to justify the investment in the software development. We had the Vision software, we've replaced that with the Escape software. When there's a real user demand for the software to evolve, the user meetings are a really important voice for us to inform our research direction and use that resource in that area as opposed to that area.
Face-to-face meeting, customer, truly what I am desiring. We would like to face-to-face meeting and hear of customers' requests. That is very important. That is why. So we would like to continue such kind of user meeting.